I'm Drew from Hellbender's Racing Team.
And I'm Craig from RDH Garage.
Last week, Craig and I drove up to Port Washington in the van, and we picked up
R75/6.
an R75/6, at least most of it. But it had the bits we needed.
Oh yeah.
Engine, transmission, final drive. We got to see a really cool place.
Wow. Oh, you've got some stuff, don't you? This is the kind of place Craig and I like. You know, this is a happy day.
We met a cool guy, Sonny,
Yep.
who was a racer. You could tell he was super hyper.
I raced it, production class.
Mm-hmm.
It was great.
And then Drew got hyper when he saw the ZUNDAPP.
Yeah, I got a little hyper with the bikes. Yeah, the bike had low miles, at least according to the story Sonny told us.
Said it only had 1,500 miles on it.
Yeah.
You said this was in the back of your dad's shop for...
This was in the old shop. I don't remember what the story is. Came in for repairs, just service or whatever, and the guy left it there and could never get in touch with him. So they started picking parts off it. And I remember this bike had maybe 1,500 miles on it. Like, it was low. It was a real low miles.
So Craig got to work checking out the bike we came to see, and I left him to it while I went and had a good time checking out all the other bikes.
Working on that.
Now, have you been advertising that Galero?
Yeah.
I like that Triumph tank with the flower power. What is that, an R50? R60. Oh, she's a beaut. Oh, nice old Jawa.
Yeah, that's mine.
Is that a Stibe sidecar sitting there sideways?
Yeah, that actually came off this.
Nice. All right, I got to tell you, you have good taste. I like your taste in bikes. Money and space, money and space. It's always the same thing. Nice old Triumph back here. I hope you don't mind me just kind of like, oh, here. Oh my God. That's a ZUNDAPP. Oh my God. Craig, you got to see this. I can't afford it, and I don't have the space. How much would you ask for that?
I don't even know yet. It's a KS601. 750s were the ones that the Nazis used with the machine guns and the driven sidecar wheels, and those are valuable.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome, Pete.
Does it run?
That ain't running.
Yeah.
These have been sitting, I would say, from the 70s. Having their shovel head motor for sale.
Nah.
You're not a Harley guy.
Nah, not a Harley guy.
It's a pretty rare.
Yeah.
It was a little bit tight to see the bike, but I got around enough to see that it looked like it was in good shape.
So after Craig decided it was pretty good and in pretty decent shape, we had some tense negotiations with Sonny.
1,000 get her done?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Sonny.
Then I had one last look at the ZUNDAPP.
Boy, I just keep getting drawn back to this ZUNDAPP, though, like a magnet.
And afterwards, we loaded it up and headed home.